This tutorial describes the object list for a model and gives you some tips on how to use it effectively. First, we'll open a model that has a well-organized object list. From the File menu, open Ogre Extra Pieces Complete. From the Tools menu, open the Object List. You can also open it with a hotkey command, the letter O on your keyboard. This object list shows how the use of multiple pieces can simplify building and making changes to a complex model. These pieces are named clearly, no confusion about what's what here. At the top is the file name. You can think of the model file name as the top-level folder for the pieces of the model. Even an individual piece can have associated objects. The currently active piece, in this case tooth, shows up in boldface type in the list. Turn visibility on and off with the eye icon. At least one piece must be visible. Each item in the object list has its own context menu. Just right-click on the piece or object and the menu appears. From the context menu, you can activate a piece to work on it. The color on the icon changes. As you click through the objects, the corresponding pieces on the model change color. Now let's open a model that needs some help with the object list. Open Housekeeping Start. Since you had the object list open for the last model, you don't have to open it again. The pieces of this model are not organized that well, and some aren't named. There are also a couple that aren't showing. First, let's see what this question mark piece looks like. Click on the eye icon to make it visible. For practice, let's activate this piece. Right-click on the piece and choose Activate. On the same piece, right-click and choose Rename. And rename it Chest Plate, and press Return. Do the same for the other mystery piece. Type a new name such as Body and press Return. For practice, open the Head Parts folder. This grouping makes sense. You can group pieces like this by using the Collect into Folder option. Hold down the Control key and select Body, Chest Plate, Torso Connector, Pelvis, and Pelvis 2. Right-click and choose Collect into Folder. Name the folder Body Parts. This object list looks better already. Change the order by moving the Body Parts folder up in the list. Click and hold and drag the folder up. One way to quickly find something in the object list is to use the filter bar at the bottom of the list. You have multiple filter options based on the type of object, such as planes, curves, annotated points, and hidden objects. Another way to locate items is to use Search. Click on the search icon at the bottom of the list and type the word to search for. Our overview of the object list is complete.